Ito ang Lilis Chika mga masang. Donnie Pangilinan na sumusuko na ba? Hindi daw madali ang nasa relasyon. Yan ang naging sagot niya nang tinanong kung kamusta ba sila ng nobya ngayong pagpasok ng 2026. Sabi niya, okay naman kami. Pero hindi madali ang relasyon. There will always be days na mahirap, may tampuhan, may pagod, may doubt. Pero lagi kong pinapaalala sa sarili ko na hindi ba't ito yung taong pinangarap kong mahalin? The one I've always prayed for. Kaya kahit gaano kahirap, pipiliin ko pa rin si Belle. I will still choose her over and over again. Kasi love is not measured by how easy things are, but by how strong your heart is to hold on even when it gets tough. At siya rin yung naging reminder ko na love is more than just feeling. It's about choosing every single day. Because love is not about forever in words, but forever in choices. At kung natagpuan mo na yung taong worth choosing every day, hawakan mo ng mahigpit. Hindi lahat binibigyan ng ganong klaseng pagmamahal. Because love doesn't always need a reason. Minsan mararamdaman mo na lang na kaya mong ibigay lahat. Real love is not about how much you receive, but how much of yourself you're willing to give without fear. At yun ang totoo kasi para sa akin, si Belle yun.